Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today, I will present our group project for the course ITT400 Introduction to Data Communication and Networking. Our group project focus on creating a simple network using Cisco Packet Tracer. Our group member consists of Muhammad NAZRUL, MUZAMMEL bin NORIZAN, RUSHIDI bin SULIMAN, and myself ZUHAIRI bin ZABIDI, and lastly NURINA SYAZWINA. Let's talk about our overview. Networking is the backbone of modern communication, enabling devices to exchange data across local and global systems. It plays a crucial role in everything from internet browsing to enterprise operation. Cisco Packet Tracer is a powerful simulation tool that helps learners and professionals design, configure, and troubleshoot virtual networks. With its interactive interface, users can explore core networking concepts like IP addressing, VLANs, and routing without physical hardware. Our objective is to set up a simple network using simulation tools, using packet tracer, to share file between PC and network using command prompt, to check a connection between devices in a network using command prompt, to check the IP address of devices that connected to a network using command prompt, to view a list of stations that connected in a network using command prompt, and 6. To send message between devices in the network, and lastly to provide name a network monitoring tool that available to monitor the network. Our monitoring tool, we use a Wireshark. Is an open source network protocol analyzer used to troubleshoot issues, analyze performance caches, and inspect data packets in real time. It helps users understand what's happening on the network by showing detailed information about each packet, like source and destination IPs, protocol use, and payload content. So let's go to the simulation. For our simulation network, we put a router at the center, and we use switch. We use 3 switch. We also use access point for the wireless connection. Okay, next we put the end devices. We have a server and put PC for each switch. For the access point, we use a laptop. Okay, let's group them in group number 1. Group number 3, and lastly group number 2, and lastly will be group number 3. Okay. Rename them. Okay, that's all for me. I will pass to the next member.
Assalamualaikum, and I'm Norina, and here's my part. So we need to configure the router because we need some part from group 1 to group 3. So we just click to this router and we turn off the switch, and we just choose NM to FE to W, and we drag it and we turn on it back, and we go to the config, and the device is still booting, and we will wait until it finish. So it already finished, and we just close, and we need to link all the PC to the switch, to the router, and to the server. So we choose copper straight, fast Ethernet 0, . which is fast Ethernet 0/1, fast Ethernet 0/1 to 1/0, fast Ethernet 0/1 to fast Ethernet 1/1. So we need to link PC to the switch, fast Ethernet 0 to switch to the switch. Then we repeat again to all the PC. Then after we link all the PC, and we need to put the IPv4 address. Put the IPv4 address to all the device. So we just click the icon and go to desktop and IP configuration. Now we put 196.186.1.2. Then the subnet mask is already, it is automatically filled by the software, and the default gateway 196.186.1.1. Then we just close it. Then repeat again to all the device. Point 1, point 3. The default gateway is 196.186.1.1. Okay. 196.182.186.1.4, and the default gateway is 196.186.1.1. Then for the group 2, go to desktop and choose IP configuration 196.186.2.2. Then the subnet mask, then the default gateway is 196.186.2.1. Next, the default gateway is 196.186.2.1. One 196.186.2.4, and the default gateway is 196.186.2.1. And for the group 3, go to desktop. IPv4 address is 196.186.3.2. And the default gateway is 196.186.3.1. The address 196.186.3.3. The side mask and 196.186.3.1. And the last one is 196.186.3.4. Then the default gateway is 196.186.3.1. And that's all from me, and I will pass to my team members.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is RUSHIDI bin SULIMAN, and now I will show you how to connect wireless device and also simulate file transfer protocol, or FTP for short. Okay, first go to the end device. Okay, now we're gonna switch the module. First, turn off the laptop and switch it to WPC300N and turn it back on. Go to desktop, PC wireless, connect, and hit refresh. And now you will see there is one device. Now we can connect. Okay, now it says data is active. Okay, and done. Now do it to the another one. At the same, turn off, switch module, turn it back on, desktop, PC wireless, and refresh, and connect. Okay, now the wireless device is already connected to the access point, switch, and router. But first, if we see here, there is a red icon here. It means it's on offline mode. So what we gotta do is go to the config on the router, go to the fast internet 0, and turn on the port status. We gotta turn on each one of it. If you can see here, there is 4. It means there is 4 line here. Okay, now turn on. Okay, and now the icon is green, so it means it's online or ready to transfer some data. Okay, now we're gonna assign the IP address for the server. Okay, now we're gonna simulate the file transfer protocol. For example, I will pick PC2. First, we're gonna do is go to the text editor, and we can put any message that we want. For example, hi you. And now press Ctrl S for save. And now we're gonna save it as .txt file. For example, I will name it hello.txt to indicate that this is a text file. Click OK. Okay, now go to the server, go to the service, and FTP. Here is user setup. For example, for the username, I'm gonna put admin. Admin, and password will be, for example, 123. And tick all the boxes and click add. Okay, now go to the PC that we gonna do. Go to command prompt, and we're gonna ping the server. Okay. Well, there is one packet loss. We're gonna do it again. Okay, there is no packet loss. Okay, now it shows that there is no packet loss, so now we are good. Okay, now type FTP and put in the IP address of the server. Now it will show that we require username. I'm gonna put the user the, uh, the user setup that I set up on the server on this. So username admin. Okay, and the password will be 123. The password is invisible, but there is there. So to memorize it, use short form password to remember and click enter. And now it is on passive mode. Now we're gonna do is type help and type dir. Okay, it will show that there is no file name hello.txt. So I'm gonna press help again, help, and put in the name, the text file name. We're gonna type put for put and the file text name hello.txt. Okay, it will show that the transfer is complete. Now we're gonna do is type dir again. Okay, you will see that in the line 27 there is the hello.txt to indicate that the file is uploaded in the server. If we back from the previous, there is no uh, file text that we put, but now it's there. Okay, so it's settled. Now I'm gonna do is download it from another device from the server. Okay, now I'm gonna choose the laptop 0. Go to the command prompt. Sorry. Uh, Now insert the IP address 0.3.1. Subnemas forget. Okay, it is the same. First, I'm gonna ping the server, ping the IP address of the server. Okay, you see here there is no packet loss, so we're good. Now type FTP and the address server, add the username, admin, password 123. Okay, now we're gonna check. We're gonna check if the file is uploaded to server from the previous device to see it is there or not. So type dir. Okay, if you see here, there is hello.txt that we uploaded earlier. Now to get the text file, we're gonna do is type get and the name of the text file, get hello.txt. Okay, the file and the transfer is complete. Okay, and that's all. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Nazrul MUZAMMEL bin NORIZAN, and I will show you how to send message in this network. So firstly, we need to click on this icon, and we need to choose a sender, which is we will choose PC0, and a receiver, which is we will choose PC5. And then we are already in simulation mode. Now we need to click on play button. As you can see, it will start to send a message from PC0 to PC5 through switch 0 and router 2 and also switch 1. The color, as you can see below, color here represent the message. As you can see, the email color is purple, and the status now is in progress. Here, on the right, you can see the time interval taken between sending from PC0 to switch 0 and so on. Now we need to wait uh, the message back to PC0. And now we have successfully sent a message to PC5 and retrieve it back to PC0. And now I will show you how to view the list of station of this network. So firstly, we need to click on the router and we need to choose CLI. So firstly, we need to type exit to exit the router. After, after we exit the router, then we need to label it by write N in capital case. So we press enter, and as you can see, it will show you router hashtag. That means the router has been enabled. And to view list of station, we have three commands that we can use. So first we can use show IP interbrief. Show IP in the press enter, and it will show you here there's four connected. It will show you the interface, IP address, method, status, and protocol. And the second command we can use show IP ARP. Show ARP. Show IP. Here we will show device and their IP address that connected to the router. And the third one we can use show IP root. Show IP root and press enter. Here we use this to see how networks are being reached. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, and the conclusion of our project is better understanding on how to use Cisco Packet Tracer, improve our understanding relating to data communication and networking, can explain and describe theoretical concept of data communication and networking. Lastly, better understanding about cable technologies, how devices connect to the internet, and how communication take place between PCs or departments within a network. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching.